Hi lovelies, welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us, and to my return subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my video. Today I am using it for a very special thanks to you all for always being there for me, for supporting me, for making me get to 200 subscribers. It's not easy, it's very difficult getting 1 subscribers in YouTube, but I appreciate you all. I know we're gonna get there someday. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Today we're going to be making a salad bowl, summer salad bowl. Very easy and also very healthy. If you want to lose weight, this salad is for you. And if you want to keep diet also, this salad is for you. So stay tuned, do not miss out of any of these. I will introduce you to the ingredient that we'll be needing today. So let the fun begin. So guys, we've got 5 batch to get this salad prepared. In the description box I have all the ingredients listed out. Here I have my cucumber. I only went for small amount of it. I've got carrot, and I also went for 1 red onion, 2 different colors of cherry tomato. I've got kohlrabi, and I also have a radicchio salad. I've got lemon, I've got chicken breast, mango, and I am going for barley for today guys. Barley is a great alternative to a white rice dishes, and also it's rich in many beneficial nutrients. I am going for peeled barley today. Next I've got salt, olive oil, apple vinegar, herbs oil, salt and pepper. So the first batch is to bring the barley to cook. First I am going to thoroughly roast this barley and just to get rid of any starch in there. So bring it to a cooked water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and just cook for 25 minutes, and your barley will be soft and ready to serve. Second batch is the chicken breast. I just season with some salt and some chicken seasoner. I had small amount of olive oil on the preheated pan to brown this chicken. After browning it, is still not done. Of course, the inside is still not done, so I just have to add it on the air fryer to continue to cook for about 20 minutes. Then the third batch is the preparation, the cutting of all the vegetables. I've just cut the cherry tomato and then the carrot. The carrot, you can cut it any form of your choice, but this way I am just going to give it a slice and then cut it in a julienne form. So next is the kohlrabi. I just had to peel this with a knife because of the thick skin of kohlrabi. I will only achieve a nice kohlrabi peeled with a knife. I'm also going to cut this in the middle, and all the same way I did to the carrot. I'm going to slice it, cut it very fine, and then also slice in a julienne form. Also cut the onion and then set aside. So going for small amount of cucumber, I just peeled it a little bit, not all, just to give it a fine design, and then cut in the middle and sliced also. Other one is the radicchio. I am going to remove the first skin here and then see how many leaf I will be needing here. Thoroughly wash your radicchio to get rid of any sand, and then try to cut off the center part of it. This part is a little bit too strong and very bitter. Radicchio is a bitter one anyway. It's not everybody's choice, but I like it. All you need is just try to balance it off with some sweetness and the acidity. And then I'm going to cut the avocado, peel it, and then slice and set aside also. So the fourth batch is the dressing, which is mango dressing. I am going for mango dressing today because of the radicchio is bitter, so I need something sweet, salty, and acidity to balance that taste. I just peeled the mango and then blend it in my food processor, transfer it, add some amount of lemon juice. I am adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then 2 tablespoons of acid apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons of herbs oil, and I added 2 tablespoons of honey, and then cracked pepper and cracked salt. Give this a good mix and do not stop to taste until you have your desired taste. I had a small amount of water here, and here we go. The 5th batch is the getting all the salad together in a bowl. I added the radicchio and then a carrot, kohlrabi, and other prepared vegetables. So guys, we are coming to the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's nothing to lose subscribing. We have a lot to learn together, so a lot are coming up. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. After being cooked, this is how our barley looked. It's filled up with vitamins and other good health benefits. Please don't forget to like this video. Leaving your comment is like adding honey to my tea, so please don't forget to leave your opinion down below, and also share this video with your loved ones. I just sliced my chicken, add it on top. The salad looks beautiful. It was tasty and healthy. I just had some walnut for a little bit of crunchy. Top it up with your dressing, with your mango dressing, and you are good to toast it together and serve. See you in my next one.